Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the ultimate game changer in a bathroom renovation. LEDs inside of a niche. I watched so many videos on YouTube and got absolutely nowhere, but I guarantee if you watch this video, you're gonna have a way better understanding about how to actually make this goal a reality. I'm gonna show you where to get the materials, how to organize the electrician with the tile guide to make it happen, or if you stick around for the end of the video, I'll show you how to do it yourself. I literally mic'd up the electrician and he'll explain all of that to you. First off, where do you get the materials? This part was super confusing. I'm gonna make it so much easier for you guys. What I did was, in my research, I found a company called Wired for Signs. They helped me out so much. I gave them a phone call. I explained to them my situation. I said, hey, I want a LED in my shower niche, an LED under my vanity. There was like 8 different things that they put into my shopping cart. I paid like 110 bucks and that was it. The guessing game was over. Now that you have your materials, how can we make this happen? First off, you have to be redoing your shower. If you guys already have your shower built and there's a niche in there, I'm not sure how you get electric into that. So that's a very tricky situation. Maybe you can find some battery powered thing. I think I looked into that and there wasn't any viable solutions. But okay, let's get into it. You can first ask your tile guy if he's ever done it before. 9 times out of 10, he has not, but don't worry. It's perfectly fine. Any tile guy can do this. All you do is you take the bracket that they give you, he'll cut it to size and he'll put it in the top of the niche. It's really no extra labor for the tile guy. He might charge you 50 bucks or something to throw it in. So how do you get power to that? When your tile guy frames everything and he frames up the niche, that is the time where you need to wire everything. If you're gonna do it or an electrician's gonna do it. Now, I've personally found the best way to find an electrician is to text all the people that you know and ask them if they have an electrician. You can go online and find a big company that has electricians, but likely that's gonna be about double. Make sure you're on top of this before your tile guy puts up the boarding over the framed shower. So the electrician's gonna come out twice. So he's gonna wire everything, and then when everything is tiled up, that's when he'll come back a second time, install the LED light, he'll solder that in, then he'll put on the diffuser, put the switches in, all of that stuff. So your electrician will come out twice if you are hiring an electrician. And I would say a good price would be between $150 and $300 each time they come out. So that'll be between $300 and $600 to get this job done. Plus the materials, you're looking at what, 400 to 700? We'll say 450 and 750 with the tile guy putting that bracket in. So as far as money spent on the remodeling project, it's still a pretty small portion of it. Bathroom renovations hit 10,000 just like that. And now my electrician Don is going to show you how he puts it in.
Good. Testing. Okay. So we're going to take power from here, go to there, and power another switch over there, which in turn will power the LED driver, and that's going to be a motion sensor switch. So if anyone walks in either doorway, it will turn these LED lights on. Super easy, simple, yeah.
Any electrician's going to be able to...
Oh yeah.
These little wires.
Yeah, any electrician worth their salt, yeah. For power, we're going to use 14.2 Romex, and that's going to power the outlets and the switch. From the driver will be powered by that motion sensor there. 110 voltage will go in, but then we're going to step down to a low voltage wire, which is like 18 gauge, to feed the LED light strips and into this niche here. That driver turns AC current into DC, which lights up your low voltage light strip.
So that was kind of confusing to me, so I'm glad that I had my electrician do it. But any of you novice electricians, I hope that that gave you a little bit of information to how to do it by yourself. I wanted to show you this dim switch. This was kind of hard to find, so I'll leave a link in the description. It's not just a sensor switch, it also is a dimmable sensor switch, which come to find out they don't make a whole lot of. While my electrician was here, I also had him put an outlet right where the mirror goes, and I'm so glad that I did. This is also dimmable, and it also has this anti-fog feature on it. So when you're taking a shower, you push this before you get in the shower, you get out and you can shave and you don't have to worry about all the fog on the mirror. It's so frustrating. It's got 3 different modes here. And again, this is an Amazon find. If you guys got anything from this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. I hope that I got you a little bit closer to your goal of having amazing lighting in your bathroom. And good luck in your bathroom renovation.